Ever wondered how to make pasta sauce with tomato paste? Well, it's simpler than you might think. And the best part, it's incredibly versatile. By mastering this basic recipe, you can create a variety of delicious pasta dishes right in your own kitchen. To begin this culinary journey, the first item on your list is a can of tomato paste. This concentrated tomato product provides a rich, deep flavor that forms the base of our sauce. Next, make sure you have a medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic on hand. Their aromatic properties will infuse our sauce with a delightful savoriness. Now gather up some olive oil, salt, pepper and sugar. A dash of sugar might sound unusual, but it's a secret weapon in combating the natural acidity of tomatoes. Lastly, don't forget the dried basil and oregano. These herbs will give our sauce that authentic Italian touch. The process kicks off by warming a few tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Dice the onion and mince the garlic while waiting for the oil to heat up. Once it's ready, sauté the onions until they're soft and translucent. Add in the minced garlic, stirring it around for a minute or two until it releases its aroma. Next, introduce the can of tomato paste to the pan. Combine it with the onions and garlic, allowing it to cook for a few minutes. This step is essential for deepening the flavor of the tomato paste. Now it's time to season. Sprinkle in the dried basil and oregano and a pinch each of salt and pepper. Stir everything together, letting the herbs and spices mingle and marry with the tomato paste, onions and garlic. Here comes the sugar. Add just a pinch. It's a small amount, but it'll make a noticeable difference, tempering the acidity of the tomatoes and bringing balance to the sauce. Finally, gradually add 2 cups of water to the mixture, stirring continuously to ensure a smooth consistency. Lower the heat and let the sauce simmer. Give it around 30 minutes to an hour. The longer it simmers, the richer the flavor becomes. And voila! You've just prepared a classic pasta sauce using tomato paste. This flavorful concoction is ready to be tossed with your favorite pasta, elevating a simple dinner into a gourmet feast. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making pasta sauce with tomato paste. From sautéing onions and garlic to simmering the sauce, each step is crucial in creating a depth of flavor that will surely delight your palate. It's a simple process with a delicious outcome. Who knew such a humble can of tomato paste could be transformed into a sauce so divine? Now go forth and cook up a storm in your kitchen.